Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Allure beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Allure beauty box for September just arrived. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna see what it entails. I know last month on my video, a lot of you guys told me that Allure is changing things up and they're going to be having a different type of beauty box, which is going to cost a little bit more, but I hear it's gonna be like way more full-size products. So me personally, I'm all for that. To get full-size products when they already have good full-size products that they offer sometimes now. Like, I'm so excited for the new change to see what they're gonna do, because that only gives us more and better products. So I'm actually all for it. I mean, everybody's gonna have their own opinion, but so far I think to me it sounds like it's going to be way better, but we'll soon see. I mean, there's nothing we can do. That's what they're gonna do. So all we can do is just sit back and watch and see what we get and what happens. So I'm really actually excited for the new change. So hopefully you guys are too. Let me know. Let's get into this month, you guys. And apparently they sent out emails, which I either accidentally deleted the email before reading it, or I never got an email. So I don't know. I think it's gonna raise to like $20 or $22. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. But so right on top, we do have this pamphlet, and there's a gorgeous girl right there. In here, we'll go over the different products that we will have, and let's go ahead and see. So let's remove this and this. And that's what it looks like this month, you guys. So the first thing is going to be this. It says a dry conditioner, instant moisture, waterless, conditioning level 3, paraben free, sulfate free, conditions dry hair to control frizz. Never heard of that before. So this guy, let me find it in here. Oh, this looks like this is going to be just an extra sample because it's on the back of the book. So it looks like we would have got a dry shampoo or a dry conditioner. So it looks like there's step 1 and step 2. One, you use a dry shampoo and then you use a dry conditioner, but this is just like a sample for us to try. So that's cool. I love when we get little extras too. So now it looks like we have a highlighting brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it's in this package. Let me see where this is in the book. So it looks like we would have got 2 different styles. We would have got the contouring brush or the highlighting brush. And to be honest, I'm really glad that I got the highlighter brush, because from time to time I do kind of put on highlight, but I won't contour. So I know I'll at least use this one. And the contouring brush is valued at $14, and this one is valued at $4. So here's the e.l.f. highlighting brush, and there's that. So again, between the two, I'm glad I would have got the highlighting, because then I could, you know, I can totally see me using a highlighter brush. It's not a contouring brush. Oh, I'm sorry. The other one wasn't an e.l.f. brush. It was a NYX brush. It's a NYX Pro contouring brush valued at $14. I'm like, why is there such a big difference between the two prices? So that's the one that I got. And then that is the other one. That is the NYX brush. So, ooh, we have an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I don't think I've ever tried a cleansing balm by Elemis, but I'm so glad that I now can. Ooh, I love cleansing balms. That's what gets all of this off right here at the end of the day. So I love it. So this right here, it says valued at $64 for the full size. This of course is not the full size, but if you want to buy it, you can buy it at Elemis. You can enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order. And the full size is $64. So I'm really glad to get this, because now I can try it out. And if you'll really like it and you think it's worth $64, then you can go and buy the full size. I like that. So this right here is La Roche-Posay. I have no clue. This is a 50 face broad spectrum SPF 50 mineral light fluid sunscreen. So we have this, and the full size would be a 1.7 fluid ounce or 50 milliliter, and this is a 0.17 ounce and a 5 milliliter. So 5 milliliter, a 50 milliliter is the full size, and that's $33.50. So there's that. And then on the inside, the product is so tiny. It looks like that. The next product is a Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This does go around in boxes a whole lot, and I have a whole lot of mascaras going on right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and not even open this. I'm gonna hang on to this for a future giveaway, but it is the Unleashed Mascara. And the price on this one is $24. So this alone is over the entire box. I'm excited for this. The next item is Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner. And this is valued at $18. And it looks like, it says it's in purple. Is that what this is, in purple? I see a purple band right there. So it twists up. And it is definitely purple, which is really good because, you know, we get a lot of black. And I do like to have a few different colors if I ever feel like venturing out, especially like on my lower like line or waterline. But there's that. It's like a purple, kind of like a plumish purple color. My plumish. But there's that guy. And then the last item in here would have been one of two different ones. You would have got the Revitalizing Sake Sheet Mask or the Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask. And both of them are valued at, okay, so this one, the value is $9.98 for 10 of them. So that basically makes them $1 each. And then the other one, the Aloe, which is the same brand, Glam Up, the Soothing Aloe is $14.20 for 10 of them. So there's that. So this month we have a face sheet mask, which I love. We have a purple eyeliner. We have a Wander Beauty mascara. You have this little guy to try out. You get a brush. You have a free sample as an extra bonus. And then the Elemis product. I still think this is an amazing box, you guys. Again, I normally will never complain about my Allure because it's, what is it? What is it even right now? 14? What is it? This box is $15. I think next month they're changing the pricing or the month after. Again, I'm not quite sure on that because I never got the email. So I haven't looked too much into it. I've only been what I've heard and what my friend has told me. So what she told me, it just seems amazing to me. So I'm all for it. I'm waiting for this new change to see what happens. I don't know what that's going to do with my account because I pay for the year. So I'm not sure, but Allure Beauty, this particular one was $15 and it has a $50 to $90 value. Typically, it could even be a lot more than that. And yeah, so I'm so excited to see when this new change happens and to see where it goes from there because I just think it's going to just give us bigger and better products. So there you go. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Do you get Allure? Do you not get Allure? Did you get the same products or did you get the other variations than I did? Are you excited about the new changes that are coming up? What are your thoughts on that? Definitely let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.